Hey, Great Day Inspires. Another day of learning awaits us all. This month, I'm highlighting some of the unsung heroes and sheroes of American history who just happen to be black. Today, let's learn about Madam C.J. Walker, a trailblazer of beauty, business, and benevolence. Born as Sarah Breedlove in 1867, emerged from the shadows of post-slavery America and etched her name into the annals of history as a visionary entrepreneur, a philanthropist, and an advocate for women's rights. Her journey from a humble washer-board woman to the first self-made female millionaire in America, and it is not just a tale of personal triumph, but a narrative of resilience, of innovation, and empowerment. Madam Walker's innovation lay in the line of homemade hair care products tailored for black women, with her flagship product, Madam Walker's Wonderful Hair Grower, leading to the establishment of the Madam C.J. Walker Manufacturing Company. Now, Madam Walker was a philanthropist and a staunch advocate for the African American community. Her legacy transcends her entrepreneurial success, and she still stands as a symbol of self-reliance, empowerment, and social change. Madam Walker's life is a testament to the fact that with a vision, and perseverance, one can alter the course of history and pave the way for future generations. This has been a Black History moment woven into the fabric of American history. Inspire your world. Bye for now.